Alright guys, this is fun. Nate is helping me for a New Year's Eve dish. We are going to cook. What's this, Nate?
Rendang.
Beef rendang.
Wow.
Wow. Nate favorite beef. Meaty guy itong si Nate. Thanks Nate for joining me tonight. I should have done this long time ago. Ano? This is something that I enjoy during when Lolo Dodong is cooking at home during Christmas Eve and New Year's Eve. At yung kambal naman, they went to French fries to buy chips and more onion. So saute lang namin to ng simmer lang ng konti, then we will put into a 40 minutes pressure cooker para malambot. Okay, at other menu namin for today, magwa-white pasta kami at saka pesto. Alright? Saka mamaya pork barbecue rin kami. Okay. So today is December 31. December 31, 2024, last day. At early off si Nate today. So usually he Friday siya umuwi from camp sa kanyang national service. Alright. Si Kuya Janiel will be out. He's out working, then tonight siya didiretso sa after dark ng Edge. Ayan. Okay, mamaya update namin kayo afterward nitong luto ni Nate, titikman natin. Alright guys, habang hinihintay natin yung beef rendang na pini-pressure cooker, second menu ni Nate is yung gulaman for our dessert. Ayan, nagbo-boil na siya. Alright, so let it boil for another maybe 30 minutes. I-low fire mo ng konti, anak. Wait lang natin. After nyan, palalamigin natin. Then we will place it here sa ating mga molding container. Ayan. So, ito naman is sinisimmer namin yung para sa aming white pasta, white sauce pasta, at saka para gagamitin din sa pesto. So, beef yan, beef mince at saka bacon. Ayan. Sige, pwede na yan, Nate. Then i-cool down na natin. Alright. Nice. Mabilis naman palamigin yan. Malamig yan. Umuulan dito sa Singapore. December 31, 2024. We are preparing for our New Year's Eve. So, okay na yung pagsisimmer natin ng meat. Nate is going to add na yung ating white sauce. Mamaya lalagyan na lang natin yan ng siguro mga half cup ng water. Yan, ang next na lalagyan niya yung aming thickening cream, bula cream. Yan. So, everything lagay mo. Yan. Sige, medyo haluin mo yan. Ay, hindi ko pa pala na-prepare yung sausage niya. Lalagyan natin ng sausage yan. Ang gagamitin natin yung Arabic sausage para medyo meron siyang kakaibang taste. Ayan. Sige, yan lang muna, si-simmer niya rin yan ng konti. Kalalagay lang ni Nate yung cheese, yung secret recipe namin ng Edema cheese. Ang Paris. Now, magkakat siya ng ng sausage ito. So, ano ba ito? Hindi pala Arabic to. Bratwurst pala itong nabili natin. Pork stick din. So, ikakatin ng maliliit yan. Ayan. That's how you going to cut. Ganyan yung cut namin ng ng sausage. Paano sa white pasta. Yeah. So, cheese pala siya. Hindi siya yung Arabic flavor. Bratwurst. November 31, 2024, and kami lang dito. We have visitor, si Brother Jerome.
Hi guys.
Yan. Tapos si Nate, siya nag-prepare niya ng rendang at saka steak. Tsaka yung kambal. Si Janiel nasa Edge after dark. Si Mami nasa Philippines. Ayan. So what we have is meron kaming barbecue platter, beef rendang, at saka white pasta, at saka honey glazed ham. Ayan. Alright.
With pineapple on top.